Hey traders, welcome back. As I told you in my previous analysis of gold, I told you that we have this trend line broken to the upside and it is making a pullback to that trend line, and it can start going up from here, okay? And if the price starts going up and the first resistance in front of the price is 2070 to 2075, this level is a really important level. If the price goes up, you can close your buy position there, and if you see some nice candles in 4-hour time frame, or actually in whatever time frame, because it is actually support and resistances, if you see nice candles like a nice rejection by a red candle or a nice pin bar, we can risk on that and enter a sell position, because it is a really important resistance. If we check the weekly time frame, it is this level. As you can see, once the price touched that level, the price fell too much, and something like around, actually lots of pips, it's like something like 4,400 pips, something like that. And and I also told you that we did have a trend line, okay, like this one in the 15-minute time frame. In the previous analysis, I told you that with the break of this, we can enter sell position. When you see that shadow here, okay, not the body out of this trend line, you should extend the trend line like this. And this candle is not a really nice candle, okay? If you have watched my previous analysis, something like 2 weeks ago or something like that, I told you that, this kind of candles are not the ones I am interested in to enter on breakouts, because the size of the candle is actually too much big. If you enter here, put your stop loss above the candle, okay, your reward too is gonna be somewhere here, which is impossible, okay? And also we did have this trend line. I told you that we have to actually take a look at this trend line too, and also it made the pin bar on that trend line and started going up. And let's check the 5-minute time frame of the live market and see what is going on. Actually, there is nothing special on the 1-minute time frame. On the 1-minute time frame, the interesting thing is, actually, let me show you. We have a support like this. The price has was falling and touched an invisible level and started going up, okay? And also you can see that we had a resistance. The price touched that and made a nice rejection like that red candle. We could also risk here and enter a sell position, which did give us the reward, of course the reward too. Right now we can risk here, enter buy position somewhere here and set our stop loss below the candles and look for our risk to reward too. Actually the price is just going up, we missed it. Okay, no problem, we will find the other trades in the future. And it's all about today's analysis of gold. Let's go to the next part, which I'm gonna show you the positions I made yesterday on 10th of April and see what happened there. Guys, before we see the positions, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see on the first position, we did have this small channel, actually 2 trend lines, one from downside, the other one from upside. Both of them had 3 touches on them, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 also. The one from downside was broken here. Actually it tried to break to the upside, but it made a shadow, and instead it break from downside. We could risk here, enter a sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gives us a reward of something around 7 somewhere here, which is a really nice reward. On the second position, we did have a trend line. If I can zoom in, we did have a trend line with several touches here, 1 2 3 4 touches, 5 touches, and the fifth time it was sixth time it was broken here. We could risk here, enter buy position, set our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gives us a reward of something around 4 somewhere here. On the actually it is the last position, I believe. Yes, on the last position we did have this trend line too with 1 2 touches. On the third time it was broken here, we could risk here and enter a sell position, put our stop loss above the candle or somewhere safer here, or even very safer here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 4 on this pin bar. And when you see that pin bar, it's an alert to exit the market, as we did. Also, we could also enter buy position on the break of these trend lines to somewhere here. You could risk here, enter buy position, set your stop loss, and it of course gives us the reward we want. If I just can draw this one, yes, it gives us an RR of 2.4. I just didn't take this one because I was busy. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.